Dozens of residents from across Wilson County joined Tennessee First Lady Andrea Conte and the 15th Judicial District Child Advocacy Center at Don Fox Community Park in Lebanon on April 9, 2010 to walk to raise awareness about child abuse and to celebrate the ribbon cutting of a new trail at the park called the Wonder Trail.
Welcome everyone to Andrea Walks for Children for Tennessee's Children. I'm Deb Darty, the director of the 15th Judicial District Child Advocacy Center. We're located here in Lebanon, and we serve children who've been physically and sexually abused in Wilson, Trousdale, Smith, Macon, and Jackson counties. I'd like to thank all of you for coming out this morning to help support child abuse awareness and prevention. Because as more people become aware of child abuse, it can be prevented. The blue armbands that you received this morning at registration say, "Help prevent child abuse." As most of you know, the blue color is a reminder of the black and blue marks that abuse sometimes leaves on abused children. Wearing this blue band beyond today may give you the opportunity to tell someone else about child abuse prevention.
Prior to the day's festivities, Conte spoke about the efforts of child advocacy centers across the state.
Last year in Tennessee, 20,000 children were seen in child advocacy centers across the state. And I think you can see from these numbers how important it is for each of us to recognize possible signs of child sexual abuse, to know what to say to a youngster who discloses abuse, and to know how to report it. Because most of the time, these reports do come from a concerned citizen who picks up the phone because they're concerned about a child. And once abuse is reported, knowing that we've got the best response possible through our Child Protective Investigative Team is so vital. And really, the Child Advocacy Center is helping all of these professionals, the district attorney, law enforcement, criminal justice system, hearing professionals to come together and really help coordinate the investigation and then do all the follow-up so that these kids can recover. And really, this Child Protective Investigative Team is the best hope these kids have. And because advocacy centers partner with so many other organizations across the community, especially government agencies, they really help do one more thing, which is pretty phenomenal, and they help government be more efficient. It's so important to let these kids know they're not alone, they're not at fault, that you believe them, and that you're there for them. And the message to children is the same, no matter what advocacy center is, wherever it is in the state. A child who has been sexually abused is not at fault, has done nothing wrong, and the center is there to help. Thank you for bringing this message to children in Wilson County. Thank you. And now, get ready to talk.